Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the color palette not working on this device. So if any color palette not working on your device, first of all you need to change the different wallpaper. So here I am going to set the different wallpaper. For this, go to settings, go to wallpaper and style, change wallpaper, and you have to select any other wallpaper. Okay, and after this one, simply restart your device. And next you need to check whether any update is available. Go to settings, tap on software update, tap on check for updates. If there is any update is available, just do updates. Then again re-enable the color palette feature. For this, again go to settings, go to the wallpaper and style. Here you can see the option color palette. Turn on this option. Then here you can see the color palette options according to your image. Tap on apply. Okay, if you go to the quick settings also, you can see it is applied on your device. If theme colors are not changing, the wallpaper may not contain enough color information. A software update may also help to fix the color palette not working on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.